Okay, I'm going to teach you how to sketch graph. Now, when the term sketch is used, you're not supposed to plot a graph paper. Understand? You're supposed to draw on your newspaper paper or the blank paper. Okay? Now, there are many ways that we can sketch a graph. Alright, but I'm going to tell you some basic things that you must know in order to sketch a graph. Okay? Now, first thing, how about you turn to page 18? How about you turn to page 18? Now, you know this will be a quadratic curve, right? With coefficient of x squared positive. The coefficient of x squared is positive, it will be a U-shaped curve. Everybody okay? Now, there will be something called, what is this line called? Line of symmetry. Okay? Now, what are these 2 points called? The x-intercept. What about this one? The y-intercept. What about this point? The minimum point. The minimum point. In a graph, I must indicate the y-intercept, the x-intercept, and the minimum point. Okay? Line of symmetry depending on whether the question wants to show you. Okay, now, if it is a maximum curve, likewise, okay, how would we know that it's a maximum curve? When the coefficient A is what? Negative, okay. I will also have the x-intercept, the y-intercept. What is this? Line of symmetry, and this is called the maximum point. Okay? In a graph, you must indicate all this. Okay? You must show what is the value. Is that clear to everyone? Yes or no? So it's either a maximum or a minimum curve. Everybody okay? Then, a equation can be given in this type of general form. It can be given in factorized form. Or it can also be given in completed square form. Understand? There are 3 forms. I will show you all 3 forms today. Now, can you look at page 9b? Can you see they give you a table on how it's going to be done, so on and so forth? Okay? Okay? Alright? Now, this one I want you to read through yourself. I'm not going to go through it. Alright? But I need you to write down 4 points that's under that category. You need to have these 4 points first before you can draw the graph. Number 1, decide whether is it U or N shape. This is criteria number 1. Number 2, look for the x-intercepts. Look for the y-intercept. Then last of all, the line of symmetry on the turning point. Turning point is either is a maximum or a minimum point. Okay? Now, I will illustrate this with one example first. Alright? You take down these 4, it's important. Okay. Use another color. To get the x-intercepts, I will have when y equals to 0, okay? Okay, you see, if I have a graph right like that, this one is y equals to 0, right? The y is equal to 0. How about if I want to get the y-intercept? Yes. When x is 0, you will get the y-intercept. Okay, class? Because at this particular part here, x is 0. We all there? We all there? Okay, I'm just going to show you one thing first. Then after that, then I will go through all the things that the text is talking about. Okay. Now, I want to show you some equations here. Now, I want to know, are these 2 equivalent? Are they the same thing? Yes. I complete the square, alright? Do you agree that these three are the equivalent form of the same equation? Okay, now, let me just tell you. Everyone has got this stiff and negative point. Okay? Now, of course, if you have it this way, right, most of it will factorize first. Understand? You get this. Then you know the intercepts. Understand what I'm talking about? First of all, you decide number one. Is it U or N shape? U, right? X times X is X squared, 1, Then it cuts at what point? 1 and 5. Do you agree? It cuts at 1 and 5. Now, first of all, you decide it's a U shape. Okay? Then, when y is 0, I'll have x equals to 1 or x equals to 5. Alright? How about when x is 0? When x is 0, y is 5, right? Actually, this one is 0. When x is 0, still is 5. You see? So, it will cut at y equals to 5, correct? Then what about the turning point? I will teach you. Okay? What if it's in this form, what if it's in the other form? Everybody clear? Okay. Let me just show you first. Some people would like to draw the scale first, then to draw. No. Please don't do this because your curve will look like terrible. Okay, I'll tell you why it's terrible, okay? Now, can you see it cuts at 1 and 5? It's on this side, right? So it will look like that, right? Okay. You call this one 1 and you call this 5. Then it cuts the y-axis at 5, correct? Okay. Yes or no? Okay. Now, this will be the line of symmetry, right? And the line of symmetry lies between 1 and 5. What do? You take 1 plus 5. What does it give you? 6. 6 divided by 2. 3. So the line of symmetry is actually x equals to 3. Now, when x is 3, what will be y? When x is 3, what will it be? 3 minus 1, what is it? 2. When x is 3, what is it? 3 minus 5, what is it? Negative 2. Now, do you agree that this point is 3, negative 4? This will be the minimum point. Can you see what I'm talking about? Remember the first time I told you, for a maximum or minimum curve, the line of symmetry will pass through the maximum. Get it? Now, then students will ask me, what if the line is like that? I mean the curve is like that. Let's say this is negative 4, this is 1. How will I get the line of symmetry? It's the same thing. What's negative 4 plus 1? Negative 3. Negative 3 divided by 2. Negative 1.5. So it's here. It's here. Just take the two numbers, add together and divide by 2. That will be the line of symmetry. Everybody okay? Actually, gives you the midpoint. Alright, now, then I want to draw your attention to something here. Okay? Now, actually, completed square form also works as last time. For completed square form, I can get the minimum point straight away. Now, what makes this 0? 3, right? What's this number? Negative 4. So, can you see 3, negative 4? It will show you the minimum point. Do you understand here? Do you understand here? 10 or 10? 10. So, can you see each one got its plus points and no good points or whatever? Now, this is what I do not want you to do. Some people will do this. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they say, oh, cut at 5. Then they cannot turn. I cannot turn. Then the curve becomes, I don't know what is it called. I don't know what is it called. Okay, so you just draw like that or like that first, then you go and fix the point. You understand? Because I do have students, they're very poor thing, they only know what's happening already, you know. So what they think is this, then they decided that, I don't know why they want it. 4. Then they decide that, oh, the turning point is here, the minimum point is here, then the thing is here. Then they very difficult to pass because you draw already, that's very difficult to pass. You understand? But one thing to take note about all these, okay, if let's say the minimum point here is negative 6 1/4, let's say, okay, then negative 6 must be above it. You must make sure there are some allowance. Cannot be the whole thing like that flat one, while everything also there. You get what I'm talking about? You get what I'm saying here? Later on you will know what I'm talking about. Another example. Okay, I will show you all, don't worry. Okay? For example, this one. Okay? This one is 6. This one is 6 1/4. So of course it must be higher lah. Okay? Some people will draw until like it's like that, Can you see there's no much? I can see whether it's of course not so high like a mountain like this, cannot lah. Understand? And don't draw like that like it's test tube, it's not a test tube. That is like, like that. And it's not like that also. Test tube, no. Okay, it must be a U-shape of actually opens up. Everybody clear? Okay, so are you alright first with what I'm saying here? Of course, I'm going on to examples already. If you're alright, I'm going on to examples already. Are you okay? Alright, now I'll leave these 4 points here. I will start now. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Take out the notebook, all of you. First, you got to sketch something in the notebook straight away. Okay? Alright. If you look at example 11, page 21, can you see this is exactly what I drawn on the board just now? Right here. This is exactly what I drawn just now on the board. Everybody okay? Yes? Okay. Now take out your notebook now. I'm going to start. Practice now 11. First one. Let's take a look at the first one. Can you tell me first of all, is it the N or the U?
It is
U. Good. What are the x-intercepts? Correct? What is the y-intercept? 12, right? Can you see it's 12? Okay. What is the line of symmetry? If this is 2, this is 6. Add together with what? 8. 8 divided by 2? 4. Alright? So the line of symmetry is actually x equals to 4, right? So the minimum point is when x equals to 4. What is my y? Stop in. Negative 4. So the minimum point is actually this one, right? Can everybody see? 4, negative 4. Everybody okay? I'm talking to you, don't close us. I'm talking to you. Are you okay? Alright, next up. All of you look at I draw the axis first Can you see that 2 and 6 all lie on this side? So I will have like this, right? Correct. Then I will have what? 2 and what? 6. Here is what? 12. What is this point? 4, negative 4. That's how we get the answer. Are we all clear? Are we all clear? Okay, take this down. All of you, take this down. I stop in 4 here, what do I get? 2, right? I stop in 4 here, what do I get? Negative 2, what's this? Alright. After you do A, right? I want you to draw B for me in the notebook. All of you sit down. x-intercept. -4 and -7. What is the y-intercept? 28. What is the line of symmetry? X equals to what? Negative 11 over 2 is what? Negative what? 5.5, right? Or 5.5, right? So what is the minimum point? That means you start in negative 5.5 here. What example? Negative what? Is it negative? Negative what? Negative 1 which is what? 2.25, right? So here, okay, talking to you. 2.25, right? Okay? How would you sketch the graph? How would you do it? It's now this way, correct? Am I right to say that? How come it's on the other side now? This is what? Negative 4. This is negative 7. How much is this? 20? 28, right? Okay. Now, what about here? Negative 5.5, negative 2.25. Everybody okay? Everybody okay so far? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay. Let's look at the next one. Part C. First, tell me, U or N? U or N? N. This way, huh? Number 2, what is the x-intercept? 0 and 5. What is the y-intercept? When x is 0, 0, right? Now, this one will tell you it cuts the origin. Can you see it cuts the origin? Yes or no? Okay. What about the line of symmetry? 0. X equals to what? 5 over 2, right? 5 over 2, which is what? 2.5. So, the maximum point will be 2.5 and what? 0. 0 ah? Everything 0. Answer. If this is 2.5, this is 2.5, what will happen? 6.25, right? Okay, understand? Do you know how I get 6.25? You put 2.5 here is negative 2.5, right? You put 2.5 here, this together is actually another negative 2.5. So both 2.5, both negative become positive, right? What's 2.5 squared? 6.25, correct now? Okay, now how do we draw? How do we draw? U shape or N shape? And cuts at 0 and 0 and 0. 0 and 5. Okay. So it must go like that. Right? Can you see this is 0? This is 5. The y-intercept is also 0, so it's here. What about this point? 2.5, 6.25. Now you will ask teacher, if I put 5 over 2 then mixed number can. But you must know where is it. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay, last one. D. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So you must look very carefully. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, so this 4 is clear, Alright, good. Then, I want to talk about one more thing that is important and is crucial that you know this. Okay. Now, everybody from last year's experience should know that this curve is y equals to x squared. Correct? Correct. Now, what if I have like this? It will be y equals to negative x squared. When it's negative, it reflects about the x-axis. It's the other way around. Everybody clear? Okay. Then I give you one question. All of you turn your page. So, page 28, question 2a. Question 2a. Y equals to x squared minus 4. How do you think it will look like? This whole thing will shift down 4 please. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Okay. That means it will be like this. Wrong already. It must be symmetrical, right? Over here, right? This will be negative 4. Y equals to x squared minus 4. Now, do you agree that this must be 2 and this must be negative 2? Correct? Because when this is 0, x is plus minus 2. Correct? Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, Now, then can you look at the second equation? P. Y is negative x squared plus 6. What will this look like? That means it's here, right? Then I plus what? Plus 6. So it will like that, right? At 6, correct? Okay. So this will be like this. This will be at 6, right? Now I want to know what is this 2. What will be that 2? I'll have x squared plus 6 equals to 0, right? Correct, because it's here. So x squared equals to 6. X will be plus minus square root of 6. Okay, give me to please a little figure. What is this? What's root 6? Please a little figure. No, 2.45. So that means this will be a negative 2.45. This will be a 2.55. So x squared something is just shift up, shift down. That's all. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Can or cannot? Can. Okay, good. Next part. Are we okay so far? Are we okay so far? Okay, now can you turn to page 23? Actually, this is exactly what I told you about. Just want to read through. I went on straight into the work example 12, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Work example 12. Alright, let's take a look at what example 12. Now all of you look up here, please. All of you look here. Can you see that this is a positive curve? That means, a U-shaped curve. The coefficient of x squared is 1. Can you see it? Okay? Can you see? U-shape. So first thing I decide U-shape. Can you see what I'm talking about? Now, number 2. I must find the x-intercept, right? X-intercept is when what? Y is 0. So I'll have x minus 1 square. So x minus 1 square equals to 4, right? So x minus 1 will be either 2 or x minus 1 equals to negative 2, right? Plus minus 1 4. So what is x equals to what? 3. X equals to what is negative 1. So I have two answers, right? 3 and negative 1. Okay, number 3. When x is 0, what do I get? When x is 0, this is a negative 1 square, so it's still 1. 1 minus 4. What is that? Minus 3. minimum point. 1 and 1. Negative 4. Straight away. Computer square form is the best, actually, but depending on here. Okay? Now, so what will this be? 3 and negative 1 cuts at 3. Okay? So how? 3 and negative 1, right? We said cuts at 3 or negative 3. Negative 3, by mistake. No wonder it looks weird. Alright, so 3 and negative 1. You will go this way, right? Correct. This is what? Negative 1, this is 3, right? What is this? What is this intercept? What's the y-intercept? Negative 3. What is this point here? 1 and negative 4. This is exactly what I mean. Can you see that this is negative 3, this is negative 1, must be lower. You understand? But please don't draw already. After that, you realize it's not lower, right? What you do is that you go and do like that, lower. That's something that was stupid like that. You understand? You don't do this kind of thing. Do you understand? It's called rubbish. Do you follow? Okay, so it must look natural, okay? So are you okay with this? Are you okay with this? Can or cannot? Can, Okay, good. Now, then I want to ask one question before I go to the next one. What if I give you this? It will still be U-shaped, right? What about the x-intercept? When y is 0, I will have x minus 1 squared plus 4 equals to 0. Is there any real roots? No. Because I cannot take square root of that. If there's no real roots, means it will not cut the x-axis. Then you'll say down here no real roots. That means it will be hanging in the air. Everybody okay? Now what about when x is 0?
Why?
What about when x is 0? 5, right? Y is equals to 5, right?
Yeah.
Correct. What about the minimum point?
1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4.
1, 4, right? Can you see? 1, 4. What will make this 0 and this whole number? So how would this one look like? It will basically look like this. Cut at where? 5. What is this point?
1, 4.
1, 4. Nothing else. Because there's no intercept. So it looks like this.
Basically heaven.
Everybody
Really low heaven.
is hanging in the air. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Can or cannot? Can. Okay, good. Now I'm going on to the last example. That is your example 13. All of us got example 13. Okay. Now let me just tell you for Eqns, right? The coefficient of x squared is always 1. Only a max then we have a lot of rubbish. Are you clear? Okay, let's take a look at example 13. Are we okay with example 12? Yes, now we're going on to example 13. Express this. In the form. They tell you this. That means we are actually doing what we have done in the previous section, right? I must complete the square. Okay, class? Okay, all of you look up. When I complete the square, I must make sure coefficient of x squared is 1. So this is 1. Focus. Plus 6x then plus 11. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, so minus. What's here?
No more
3. Good. X plus 3 squared, right? Minus 9 plus 11 plus 2. So this is, what's this? Minus 2, right? Correct. Everybody okay? I forgot to 0. So I will have this. Correct? So negative and some. So no real roots. That means you'll be hanging. Everybody clear? You'll be hanging. How about when x is 0? Now, if x is 0, right, then if you do 1, right, you sub here is 0. 0, 0, so negative 11. That's here. Instead of doing that. So y will be negative 11. Alright? Okay. Since you say it's an M shape, right? So is it a maximum or a minimum point? X. Okay, what's the maximum point? Tell me. Negative 3, negative 2, correct? Alright, you ignore this one. You don't care about this one. You look at the side here. Negative 3, negative 2. Can you see? Okay, so now take a look here. The maximum point is negative 3, negative 2, and the y-intercept is negative 11. So basically it goes like that, right? Okay, so this is negative 11. This one will be negative 3, negative 2. It will fall like that. Are we all clear? Are we all clear? Can or cannot? Cannot? Okay. So, basically there are a few forms and we are supposed to know how to do it. Okay? Now, from today, right, there will be no homework on the step paper. You see, for me, right, there should be homework one. Okay? I need you to sketch for me.
Short about go on.
Question 1 and 2, sketch in the notebook. Just number 2 and one more thing. This is number 1, this is number 2, number 3, page 27. Okay, look at the class discussion of page 27, all of you. Now this is very easy one. It's like primary school like that. It's also simple as primary school. Can you see they give you graph 1 to graph 12? I'm talking to you. Then they tell you to match the curve, the equation. It does come out in O-level paper 1. Ask you to match the curve. It came out in N level, so it will come out in O-level. Are you all clear? Okay, so what are the 3 things that you're supposed to do for me today before you come back tomorrow? Hello? This one, and match the equation. Will that be okay? Alright, stop the video, Andre. You stop now. Stop the video, Uncle. Stop the video.
Stop the video lah.